Hello everyone, and welcome to our YouTube video on what are stocks and how do they work. This is a beginner's guide to the world of stocks and investments, and we hope to provide you with a solid understanding of the basics. So, if you're interested in learning more about investing in the stock market, make sure to stick around until the end of the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on personal finance and investing. Part 1. What are stocks? Let's start with the basics. What exactly are stocks? A stock represents ownership in a company, and when you buy a stock, you become a part owner of that company. Companies issue stocks as a way to raise money from investors to fund their operations or to grow their business. When you buy a stock, you are essentially investing in that company, and as the company grows and becomes more profitable, the value of your investment will increase. Part 2. Types of stocks. Now that you know what a stock is, let's talk about the different types of stocks. There are two main types of stocks, common stocks and preferred stocks. Common stocks are the most widely held type of stock, and they represent ownership in a company with voting rights on company decisions. Preferred stocks, on the other hand, offer a fixed dividend payment, but do not have voting rights. Part 3. How stocks work. So, how do stocks work? Well, the value of a stock is determined by supply and demand. If more people want to buy a stock than sell it, the price of the stock will go up. If more people want to sell a stock than buy it, the price of the stock will go down. This is why the stock market can be so volatile, as the value of stocks can fluctuate greatly depending on market conditions. Part 4. Investing in stocks. Now that you understand what stocks are and how they work, let's talk about how to invest in stocks. The first step is to open a brokerage account with a reputable online broker. Once you have a brokerage account, you can start buying and selling stocks. It's important to do your research and invest in companies that you believe will grow and become more profitable over time. It's also important to diversify your portfolio by investing in a variety of stocks across different industries. Part 5. Risks of investing in stocks. Before you start investing in stocks, it's important to understand the risks involved. The stock market can be unpredictable, and there is always a chance that you could lose money. It's important to have a long-term investment strategy and not to panic when the market experiences short-term dips or crashes. It's also important to have a well-diversified portfolio to minimize your risk. Conclusion. So, that's our beginner's guide to stocks and how they work. We hope you found this video informative, and if you're interested in learning more about investing and personal finance, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Remember, investing in stocks can be a great way to build wealth over time, but it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.